Today, Autotech are here at Alliance Racing HQ to deliver level 2 and 3 electric vehicle and hybrid training to our supported team. 2023 British Touring Car Championship winning NAPA Racing. Autotech Training is proud to deliver on-site training at our customers' premises, which means minimal disruption to the business. So what better place to deliver it than the 2023 champion's own workshop?
I'm Max, I work for NAPA Racing UK and I am Dan Couch's number 3.
My name is Angus Rogers, I'm number 3 on Sam Osborne's car.
Hi, my name's Ollie Hall and I'm Sam Osborne's number 2 mechanic on Racing UK. I've just completed the level 2/3 hybrid vehicle training course.
This course helps us get a further understanding of the hybrid system on our touring cars
It will keep us safe for the next season so we can complete all our races and carry on throughout the season.
I'd rate this training course 5 out of 5 stars.
I rate Autotech training a 5 out of 5.
Oh, 5 out of 5. Top job.
All done here at Alliance Racing. Had a great time training the NAPA Racing guys on EV and hybrid vehicles. If you have any training needs, want us to train us in your workshop, then just give us a call.